Are wrinkles keeping you up at night? Are you tired, really tired of worrying about fine lines and the way aging is showing up on your face? You are not alone. Does your dry skin frustrate you and no matter what you try, it just won't stay hydrated? The beauty industry wants you to believe you need their expensive creams and serums, but I'm about to reveal something that will shock you. What if I told you the secret to younger looking skin costs less than your morning coffee? Here's the shocking truth that expensive skincare brands don't want you to know. One of the most powerful anti-aging ingredients has been hiding in plain sight. I'm talking about castor oil for the face, and what I'm about to share might just change everything. Yes, everything. You thought you knew about fighting wrinkles, especially if you're over 50. And don't worry, I've linked my favorite high-quality castor oil in the description below so you can get started right away. But before I reveal the shocking benefits that most people don't know about, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered why some women seem to age so much more gracefully than others? The secret might be simpler than you think. Here's what makes castor oil for anti-aging so special. And wait until you hear the third benefit, because it's absolutely game-changing. First, it's packed with ricinoleic acid, which penetrates deeper than most commercial anti-aging ingredients. Second, it triggers your skin's natural collagen production. Yes, the same thing those expensive creams promise. But the third benefit? It actually helps your skin produce more elastin, which is something most anti-aging products can't do. That's right, while other products just sit on the surface, castor oil is actually helping your skin rebuild itself from the inside out. Now here's the shocking part that luxury skincare brands don't want you to know. Many of their expensive products actually contain small amounts of castor oil, but they hide it under fancy names and mark up the price dramatically. Using pure castor oil for wrinkles cuts out the middleman and gives you direct access to this powerhouse ingredient. But here's where most people go wrong. They use it incorrectly and miss out on 90% of the benefits. Let me give you your first power tip that will change everything. Power tip number 1. Temperature matters more than you think. Slightly warming the castor oil activates its molecules for maximum absorption. But, and this is crucial, most people make the mistake of overheating it, which destroys its anti-aging properties. Here's exactly how to do it right. Warm a few drops between your palms for about 30 seconds before applying. This simple step makes all the difference in absorption and effectiveness. Now I'd love to hear from you. Have you been spending a fortune on anti-aging creams with disappointing results? Drop a comment below and let us know. You might be surprised how many others share your experience. Now, ready for another shocking discovery? Castor oil works even better when combined with honey. When combined with castor oil for face wrinkles, honey creates a powerful synergy that can dramatically reduce the appearance of fine lines. Which brings me to your second power tip. Power tip number 2, the golden hour method. This is a technique that maximizes castor oil's anti-aging benefits. It's all about timing and layering, and it's especially effective for anyone concerned about wrinkles after 50. Mix 1 teaspoon of castor oil with half a teaspoon of raw honey and apply it during what I call the golden hour. That magical time right after cleansing when your skin is most receptive to treatments. Apply it in gentle upward circular motions, paying special attention to your wrinkle-prone areas. Unlike other oils that just sit on the surface, castor oil actually helps your skin repair itself. Think of it like this. If your skin is a brick wall, other oils are like paint. They make it look better temporarily. But castor oil for face wrinkles? It's more like mortar, actually helping rebuild and strengthen the wall itself. But there's even more to this remarkable oil than meets the eye. While most anti-aging products only target surface issues, castor oil works on 3 distinct levels. First, it penetrates deep into the dermal layer where wrinkles actually begin. Second, it stimulates your skin's natural healing processes. And third, this is particularly important for anyone over 50, it helps maintain your skin's natural moisture barrier. Here's another shocking revelation about castor oil for anti-aging that most people don't know. It contains a unique compound that actually helps your skin repair UV damage. Think about that. While most products just protect against future damage, castor oil is actively helping your skin recover from years of sun exposure. Here's a question for all my skincare enthusiasts. What's the most expensive anti-aging product you've ever bought? Put your answer in the comments below. I have a feeling that after today, you'll think twice before spending that much again. When it comes to skincare routines, timing is everything. Most people make the mistake of applying their anti-aging products at the wrong time. But with castor oil for the face, you can maximize its benefits by applying it when your skin's repair mechanisms are most active, during your body's natural regeneration cycle. Let me share another powerful application technique that amplifies these benefits. After cleansing, while your skin is still slightly damp, Apply 3 drops of castor oil using gentle upward circular motions. This technique helps activate your skin's natural lymphatic drainage system, which can reduce puffiness and enhance the oil's anti-aging effects. Now, let's talk about something that expensive skincare brands never mention: the relationship between skin tension and wrinkle formation. Castor oil's unique molecular structure helps maintain your skin's elasticity, which directly impacts how wrinkles develop. This is particularly important for the delicate skin around your eyes and mouth. The science behind this is fascinating. While most oils simply sit on top of your skin, castor oil's molecular structure allows it to penetrate deep into your skin's layers, where it can actually influence your skin's cellular renewal process. This is why people often notice such dramatic improvements in their skin's texture and firmness. Remember, achieving younger-looking skin isn't about using the most expensive products, it's about using the right ones. And now you understand why castor oil for anti-aging has been such a closely guarded secret in the beauty industry. If you're excited to try this natural anti-aging solution, drop a heart in the comments below. And if you already use castor oil for your face, share your experience. Your story might be exactly what someone else needs to hear. Before you go, do your friends and family a favor. Share this video with anyone who's been struggling with wrinkles or spending too much on anti-aging products. They'll thank you for saving them money and introducing them to this natural solution. Hit that subscribe button for more evidence-based beauty secrets that won't break the bank. Turn on notifications so you never miss our latest skincare discoveries. Remember, beauty doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes the best solutions are the simplest ones. Thank you for joining me today, beautiful people. I can't wait to read your comments and hear about your journeys with castor oil for anti-aging. See you in the comments section.